All of you can share the screen. Hello? All of you are having the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good afternoon, students. So as we discussed earlier, today's class mainly we discuss about something different types of problems, but all the problems that we have already done in the last classes. Okay. So today, starting with a simple problem. Already we have done this kind of problem in the previous classes. Simply example 1.6. What is given? Function of xy is given to you. One is x cube y square plus x, and the other one is sine of within bracket x plus xy. So just keep ready your notebook. You have to solve this one. So for these two functions, we have to find out del f del x and del f del y separately. Okay. Okay. So what is del f del x for the first case? First number A. Del f del x equals to del x of x cube y square plus x. So have you got of the result? Del x of x cube y square. Okay, y square is a constant coming outside. So del x of x cube is what? 3x square, no? Plus del x of x is 1. So it should be finally the answer is what? Finally the answer is 3x square y square plus 1 is the value of del f del x. Okay, all of you got this? Del f del x? Is it? Del f del x equals to 3x square y square plus 1. Is it the result? Hello? Have you got the result or not? Del f del x equal to 3x square y square plus 1. So similarly, you can find out del f del y from the first question, that is example number A. What is del f del y? Del y of x cube y square plus x. Okay, so del y means what? You have to take the partial derivative with respect to y only. So x cube is a constant coming outside. So del y of y square is what? Twice y plus del y of x is 0. So the final answer is what? Twice y x cube is the answer of del f del y. Have you got the two results?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So it's a simple problem. Already we have discussed in the last classes this type of problems. But example B is slightly little different than the other problems we have discussed. I think in the last class, oh, I forgot to give something to you. Okay, later on I will give it to you WhatsApp. The application of partial derivative. Last class we have discussed. No? That is about the gas law. The solution I have not given still now, but after some time, I will give you the solution of the application of partial derivative for gas law. Last class I told you, but I forgot to give you. Okay. Now, for example B, what is f of xy? Sine within bracket x plus xy. So all of you just listen carefully that suppose we are going to find out del f del x. So how can you proceed? Del f del x equals to del x. Just write down on your notebook. Okay. Del f del x equals to del x of third bracket you have to give. After del x third bracket you have to give. Then sine within first bracket you have to write x plus x. Okay. So the thing is now del x of sine. See within bracketed term, that is x plus xy. It is a chain reaction problem. So what you have to do, we just assume that x plus xy simply like x. Understood, all of you? All of you getting my voice? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you have to do in this particular problem, you just assume this bracketed portion, that is x plus xy, as simply x. So क्या हो जाएगा वो हमें del del x of sin suppose x हो जाएगा, ठीक है, but that x is not originally your x, that x is simply x plus x1. Thus we have assumed that for taking the chain reaction point. Fine. So del del x of sin, that term to be x, so del del x of sin x is what? What is ddx of sin x? ddx of sin x is what? Cos x, no? So
cos x.
okay, del del x of sin x plus xy is nothing but equals to cos of within bracket x plus xy. Okay, into, you have to write into dot symbol. Why into? Because we have assumed that bracketed portion as x. So again we have to take the differentiation of that bracketed one. That is the chain reaction actually. Fine. So del del x of sin x plus xy is equals to cos of x plus xy dot, that is into, again you have to take the partial derivative, that is del del x of within bracket for x plus x. Okay, that is the rule of chain reaction. Understood my point? So the next step of this problem is what? Del del x of sin x plus xy equal to cos of x plus xy into del del x of x plus xy. So what is del del x of x plus xy? Del del x of x is what? Del del x of x is 1 plus
1 plus y.
1 plus y. Very good. So the final answer is what? Cos x plus xy into 1 plus y. Okay. So in this problem, we just apply the chain reaction property of differentiation. Okay. In the last class also, while doing the gas problem, a large problem containing the chain reaction part is there. So later on, after finishing the class, I will submit you on the WhatsApp. Okay. So del f del s is find out. Now next step is what? Del f del y. How can you find out del f del y? Similar step. So del del y of sin x plus xy. So what you have to do, that x plus xy is suppose you have chosen as y suppose. So del del y of sin y is what? Cos y. So what you have to write? Del del y of sin x plus xy is equal to cos of x plus xy dot del del y of x plus y. So del del y of x is 0 plus del del y of x into y is what? X is a constant coming outside. Del del y of y is what? 1. So finally x will remain only. So what is the solution then? Cos of x plus xy into x. That is the partial derivative of the function with respect to y. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
for further your conception, I will just submit you the solution of the problems on your WhatsApp. I already have with me. Okay, so these are second problem is the problem of partial derivative, mainly based on the application of chain reaction. Just remember that. Okay. So answers are given here also. See, the first answer is already we have find out 3x square y square plus 1, and del f del y is 2x cube y, and the solution for the second answer is what? Yeah, this one. See, 1 plus y cos of x plus xy, f of y equal to x cos of x plus x. Already we have find out these results. Okay. Okay. Then come to the next example. These are the problems of partial derivative, which are slightly complicated than the previous problems we have done, isn't it? Okay then. So what is in the question? Question is find del z del x where z equals to sine inverse x plus xy. So the note portion it is given simply, but you just apply the formula for ddx of sine inverse x. Can you remember the formula for ddx of sine inverse x? Can you remember the formula for ddx of sine inverse x? Anyone?
Sir, sine what?
ddx of sine inverse x. Can you remember that?
Oh, pardon.
Okay, so just on the corner of your copy, just write down this formula for ddx of sine inverse x. Similarly, del del x of sine inverse x, same thing. So just write down the formula for ddx of sine inverse x. So ddx of sine inverse x equals to, write down, 1 by root over, within root over you have to write 1 minus x square. Okay, ddx of sine inverse x equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, fine. Have you noted? Have you noted the formula for ddx of sine inverse x? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So now see, now we proceed the problem. So what you have to find out del z del x, no? So del z del x, write down the solution. Del z del x equals to del del x of, what is that? Sine inverse within bracket x plus x. Okay. So del del x of sine inverse. See, again the application of chain rule is coming here. The bracketed portion, that is x by x plus y, you should suppose to be, the value is suppose x simply. So x अगर ले लिया, suppose simply x by x plus y को x लेना है हम लोग को. So क्या होगा फिर? Del del x of sine inverse x रह जाएगा. So del del x of sine inverse x is same as ddx of sine inverse x. So what is the result? Del del x of sine inverse x equals to what? 1 by, fine, 1 by root over 1 minus x square आना था. x क्या है यहाँ में? x is nothing but x by x plus y whole square. That is simply a what? Simplification. Just for your simplified form, I have just given you on your WhatsApp. Just take it out. This just take your WhatsApp. I have sent the solution for this. Just check out your WhatsApp. Have you got? No one is responding. Have you got?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Now just concentrate on that particular problem. Okay. Forget about this PDF. Just concentrate on the particular problem that I have sent you. So what is the second line over there? Second line is what? Del z del x equals to del del x of sine inverse x by x plus y. No? Okay. What I have told you, you have to take that bracketed portion x by x plus y as x. No? So del del x of sine inverse x is what? See, the third line is given as 1 by root over 1 minus x square आना चाहिए था. बट यहाँ में x का वैल्यू क्या है? x is nothing but x by x plus y. So यहाँ में x by x plus y whole square जो होगा उसको मैंने तोड़ दिया है, like x by x plus y whole square is what? X square by x plus y whole square. Okay, that's the simplification, nothing else. So then into I have written because we have chosen the bracketed term as x. Na? So again you have to take the derivative of that one. So that is into del del x of that x by x plus y. The third line is clear, all of you? Or if you have any confusion, then ask me about the third line.
Sir, clear.
Clear, no? Okay. Now in the next line, what I have done, in the next line, see, I just simplify that. X plus y square, y whole square, take the LCM, then it moves to the upper part. Since it is under root over sign, so that x plus y whole square is, if you just taken over the root over, it should be simply x plus y. That should be on the upper side. Then नीचे क्या आएगा? इसको break कर देना है. X plus y whole square को break करने से क्या मिलता है? X square plus y square plus twice yx. So x square cancel जाएगा. So क्या रह जाएगा? Y square plus twice yx. That is simply the what? Simplification of the part. Fine. Into. Okay. That next part is, see, next part you can see into what I have written again, a numerator denominator type is written. Na? So again you have the concept of ddx of a function having both numerator and denominator. So वो क्या था, ddx of u by v. Have you remember the formula? ddx of u by v. All of you? Hello? All of you remember the formula ddx of u by v? Hello? Hello? ddx of u by v, you have remember the formula or not? Dulal, Abdullah, Imomlan, no one is responding. Have you remember the formula for ddx of u by v?
D by dx of
U
u
by v.
plus
U by
d by
v.
dx of v.
U by v. U by v. वो
Oh,
फॉर्मूला
u
याद
by
है?
v, sir.
U और v क्या था?
Sir,
What is u और v? U था एक फंक्शन ऑफ x. सो लिखो, साइड में लिखो, तो कॉपी के साइड में लिखो, कॉपी के साइड में
Okay,
लिखो.
sir.
Just write down on the side of the copy. If write down on your copy. If u equal to fx, if u equal to f of x and v equal to g of x, just write down, if u equal to f of x and v equal to g of x, comma, then ddx of किसी का अनम्यूट करो. So comma then ddx of u by v equal to what? फ्रैक्शन के ऊपर में लिखना, फ्रैक्शन के ऊपर में लिखना v ddx of u minus u ddx of v. That is the upper part of the fraction. And नीचे क्या आएगा? v square. Okay. Have you read the formula for ddx of u by v?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just compare that formula with the formula that I have described here in this problem. This is the fourth line. See, third line में क्या था? Del del x of x by x plus 1. So ये हमें जो x है वो फंक्शन ऑफ x है, और नीचे जो x plus y है वो भी एक और फंक्शन ऑफ x है, like fx by gx. Okay, that is u by v. So यहाँ में वो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं, that is del del x. यहाँ में पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव आ गया, कुछ भी नहीं है. So del del x of u by v. U is what? X. V is what? X plus 1. So what is the formula then? According to the formula, fraction symbol दो, fraction के नीचे क्या आएगा? V square ना. So v square यहाँ में v है x plus y whole square. Then ऊपर क्या आएगा? V ddx of u. So v is x plus y. Del del x of u means what? X minus, formula minus. Then क्या आता है? U. U is what? X here into ddx of v. So into del del x of v is what? X plus 1. Very simple. Just the application of the formula is written over here. Okay then. So इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट लाइन है, नेक्स्ट लाइन में मैंने थोड़ा डायरेक्टली कर लिया. नेक्स्ट लाइन यू कैन सी, नीचे क्या आ रहा है? x plus y into root over y square plus 2y आ रहा है. x plus y कैसे रह गया? x plus y comes from cancelling the term from the upper and the lower. See, ऊपर में भी x plus y एक है, नीचे दो है, that is x plus y whole square. सो एक कैंसिल हो गया, सो एक रह गया नीचे, सो दैट इज x प्लस वाई इज ओवर देयर इनटू रूट ओवर वाई स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस x इज देयर. सो ऊपर में जो है x प्लस वाई माइनस एक्स कैसे आ गया? सी द सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ दैट टर्म, x प्लस वाई dot what is del del x of x? Del del x of x is what? 1. So x plus y remains same, minus x into del del x of x is what? 1 plus del del x of y is what? 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So ultimately x ही रह जाएगा. So यहाँ में x will cancel. So final result is y by x plus y into root over y square plus twice y. Okay. So that is the solution of this answer. This is a little bit complicated than the other problems of partial derivatives. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next I will give you one more problem. That is the example 8. Okay, see the answer is given here as del z by del x equal to y by x plus y into 1 by root over twice xy plus y square. The same answer we are getting. Okay then. So this one is another important. This one is a very important problem regarding your examination purpose. So just write down the question first. Write down the question on your copy first. Example 1.8. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay then. Just write down this question on your copy. Okay, all of you have written the question.
Yes, sir. Complete.
So I just send you two copies of the solution. Okay. Have you got in your WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. See, what you have to find out, just understood the question very well. So what is given here, just follow the note I have given to you. हम लोग को लास्ट में क्या निकलना है? लास्ट में हम लोग को दिखाना है कि x into ux plus y into uy plus z into uz equal to r f dash of r. ओके, सो वो जो ux uy uz वो सब क्या है? ux is what? Partial derivative of u with respect to x. uy क्या है? Partial derivative of u with respect to y. And uz is what? Partial derivative of u with respect to z. Okay, now see, just see the note that I have given to you in the WhatsApp. So what is the second line after the question? I have written del u del x. Huh? Have you got? Okay, del u del x equals to del del x of what is the value of u? See, u के बदले में मैंने क्या लिखा है यहाँ में? f of u का वैल्यू क्या था? f of r नहीं था? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
वैल्यू ऑफ u इक्वल टू f of r ना, फंक्शन ऑफ r. सो यहाँ में मैंने क्या लिखा है? del u del x इक्वल टू del del x of f, जो r के बदले में मैंने क्या लिख दिया यहाँ में देखो, root over of x square plus y square plus z square. The value of r is that. Is it? How can you say that the value of r is that? because see here r square का वैल्यू क्या था, x square plus y square plus z square. So r is definitely will be equal to what, root over of x square plus y square plus z square. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So del L x of f of function of root over x square plus y square plus z square within bracket. Okay, I have not so much time left, 7 minutes only. So I just illustrate you how to find out del u del x. So similarly, you can find out del u del y del z del u del z. Fine. So just listen carefully. The next line, see. Okay, del x of f जो स्क्वायर के भीतर है वो सब टर्म को हम लोगों को सपोज x ले लिया, चेन रिएक्शन, दैट इज del x of f of x. So del x of f of x क्या होता है, ddx of fx is always f dash x. So that's why I have written del x of f of that should be suppose your x. So f dash x आ गया, x is nothing but root over x square plus y square plus z square. Since that is not your original x, again we have to take the partial derivative of del x of that. So del x of root over x square plus y square plus z square is written over here. Okay, just I have just overcome the root over and written as to the power half. Same meaning. This is the application of what? Chain reaction. Okay. So del x of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power half. You have to differentiate. Fine. Then go to the next line. F dash. Okay. Root over x square plus y square plus z square का value क्या है? That is nothing but already r we have find out. So f dash of r is written. Now again देखो उसके बाद के जो टर्म है del x of x square plus y square plus z square to the power half का वैल्यू क्या होगा, यहाँ में भी अगेन चेन रिएक्शन ही आएगा, जो ब्रैकेट के भीतर है दैट इज x square plus y square plus z square, उसको हम लोगों ने सिंपली क्या लेना है, सपोज वी हैव जस्ट सिंपली टेकन एज द ब्रैकेटेड पार्ट एज x सपोज. सो del x of x to the power half का वैल्यू क्या आता है, ddx of x to the power half is what, half x to the power half minus 1, that is minus half. So half आ गया, x जो यहाँ में x नहीं है, so x square plus y square plus z to the power half minus 1 is minus half. यहाँ में मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया into twice x. क्यों? Because again you have to take the partial derivative del x of x square plus y square plus z square. So x square plus y square plus z square का del x निकालने से क्या रहता है, खाली twice x will have, because others that is del x of y square is 0, del x of z square is 0. So only del x of x square should be twice x. So that is I have written directly. Okay. So that 2 and the below 2 is cancelled, and x ऊपर रहेगा, x f dash r should be the term above, और नीचे क्या आएगा, x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus half is what, that is 1 by x square plus y square plus z square to the power half, that is 1 by root over x square plus y square plus z square. So root over का वैल्यू क्या था, r आ गया. So finally the result of del u by del x equals to x f dash r by r. Okay, just a simple concept of partial differentiation with the application of chain reaction, nothing else. इसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है बात, ठीक है. Similarly del u del y भी निकाला है, इसका आएगा रिजल्ट y f dash r by r, and then del u del z का भी निकाला है z f dash r by r. So next page में देखो, now just you put the left hand side में क्या है, x del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z पुट कर दिया, सबका वैल्यू del u by del x का वैल्यू पुट करने से क्या आता है, x into x square f dash r by r, y square f dash r by r plus z square f dash r by r. So f dash r by r अगर कॉमन ले लिया तो क्या रह जाएगा, x square plus y square plus z square. We already have that the value of x square plus y square plus z square is what, r square. So just put it, r and r square is cancelled, to have only r is left. So r f dash r, that is the right hand side, you can check. Right hand side is what, r f dash of r. Okay, so this is the important problem regarding your examination purpose. Fine. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So और भी तो दो टू था, मतलब जो सेकेंड ऑर्डर पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव, ये हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव का एक था शायद. ओके, इसका अभी तो टाइम नहीं है. ये मैं व्हाट्सएप में तुम लोगों को दे दूंगा, ठीक है। ये एग्जाम्पल 1.9 एंड एग्जाम्पल 1.10, एग्जाम्पल 1.9 एंड
सर
एग्जाम्पल,
प्रैक्टिस के लिए।
हाँ प्रैक्टिस के लिए, example
ओके
1.9
सर, ठीक
and
है।
example 1.10 I will give you on your WhatsApp. Okay, so with this we just end the concept of partial differentiation. So from next class, okay wait, last class I was not able to do the last class, huh?
यस सर, यस्टरडे।
Yesterday, no? Because I have some official duty problems. Okay then. So next class we will start the another part, that is vector calculus, again important part, vector, gradient, divergence, curve, उसमें भी थोड़ा मार्क्स आएगा क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखो, आज अगर समय हो तो मैं ले लूंगा, नहीं तो तुम लोगों का कोई ऑफ टाइम में मैं क्लास ले लूंगा।
सर वो फर्स्ट सेम में हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा हुआ है।
हाँ वही वही उसी का आएगा, ठीक है।
ओके सर।